Hey everyone, in today's video, we will talk about the EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, on TradingView. We will show how to add it to the chart, how to use crossing alerts, and how to spot trends and possible trade setups. The EMA, or Exponential Moving Average, on TradingView is a trend-following indicator that calculates the average price of an asset, giving more weight to recent price action than a simple average. This makes it react faster to recent price changes, so it is useful for finding short-term trends, reversals, and dynamic support and resistance. The EMA on TradingView helps us see the trend direction and spot possible entry or exit points. Unlike a simple moving average, the EMA is more responsive to current market moves. We can use it to track momentum, check trends, and get signals when the price crosses the moving average. In this video, we will show how to set an alert on TradingView when the EMA is crossed to help make better trading decisions. Now, let's get started. First, open your browser. Go to tradingview.com. Once you're on the main page, log into your account. After logging in, go to Products. Under Products, you will see Super Charts. Once you're in this section, you will see the market movements, including gains and losses. Now, to set an alert on the EMA, we first add it as an indicator. To add it, look at the top of your page. You will see Indicators. Click this option. A pop-up window will appear, and we just need to type EMA here. Now, we click on this Moving Average option. As we can see, it appears on the upper left of the graph as EMA. Let's close this window. To add an alert on EMA, we simply point the cursor here and click More, or the three dots. We click this and then point. Next, we click the three dots and select this option, Add Alert on EMA. Now, a pop-up alert window appears. Here, we can set symbols, intervals, triggers, and expiration. For example, we can set up closing alerts for EMA. In the Conditions section, we can check MAs. Here, we can set up the crossings, up, down, or just normal crossings. There are more options, such as greater than. We can set the EMA crossing alert as needed. We can set the values here, the intervals, and add a condition. After filling out this form in the settings, we can now go to Message. Here, we can set the alert name, or the message you want to see. After filling this out, we can set the notifications. You can choose if you want to be alerted through the app, push notifications, email, webhook, sound, or anything you want. After filling up this form, we can now create an alert on EMA crossing. The purpose of the EMA crossing alert on TradingView is to notify us when two EMAs cross. These crossings often signal a possible trend change or trading opportunity. This helps us act quickly without watching the chart all the time. It makes it easier to enter or exit trades based on momentum shifts. And that's how we set EMA crossing alerts on TradingView. Alerts like this help us catch possible trend changes without watching the chart all day. Let the alert do the watching while we focus on planning our trades.